Hello everyone, we at Bhujal Survey provide consultancy services for obtaining NOC from CGWA. What is CGWA NOC? CGWA is a regulatory body known as Central Groundwater Authority which regulates and controls the development and management of groundwater resources in the country. NOC stands for No Objection Certificate for Groundwater Withdrawal. Why do we need an NOC? All industrial, infrastructural, mining projects, whether existing, new or undergoing expansion that require to withdraw groundwater must obtain NOC from CGWA. There is a dedicated portal called NOCAP created by CGWA for filing applications to obtain NOC. Why do we need a consultant? We at Bhujal Survey ensure a smooth and efficient process. Our experienced geologists and hydrogeologists have specialized knowledge and experience in navigating the complex regulatory requirements and procedures involved in obtaining NOC from CGWA. We guarantee zero compliance issues and efficiency at par. Our representatives act on behalf of the applicant, advocating for their interests and addressing any concerns or inquiries from the CGWA during the application process. After getting NOC from CGWA, mandatory compliance conditions are to be followed mentioned in the NOC letter. Number 1. Installation of digital water flow meter. Number 2. Installation of piezometer. Number 3. Testing of groundwater quality through NABL labs. Number 4. Implementation of recharge measures. Number 5. Implementation of water conservation measures. Now, what is renewal of NOC from CGWA? NOC awarded from CGWA is a project proponent has a validity period. Before NOC validity ends, it needs to be renewed for future usage of groundwater. NOC renewal process can be started within 90 days to date of expiry of NOC. General queries regarding NOC from CGWA. What is application fees for obtaining NOC from CGWA? Application fees for fresh NOC is 10,000 rupees and for renewal of NOC is 5,000 rupees. What are groundwater abstraction charges? Groundwater abstraction charges are amount to be paid against groundwater withdrawal based on type of water use, the quantum of groundwater extraction and category of assessment unit. What are OE areas? OE stands for overexploited areas. New packaged water industries falling under MSME category and located in overexploited assessment areas are not eligible to apply for NOC. This is everything that you needed to know about NOC and CGWA. Thank you.